Good morning and happy September 2nd. Is it just me, or does anyone else feel like after Labor Day it is the end of summer, even though the official last day of summer is not till like around the 20th or something? I am currently just going through some videos that I took of all the sunflowers in my garden this summer. I took a lot of them and a lot of pictures because I know that when the winter does come, I will want to look back on them and just enjoy all the beauty. It was a lovely 3-day weekend here for us. Hot, but it was really nice, and I did a lot of crafting. I didn't take any video of it because I don't really know how to do video footage while I'm embroidering, but I will show you. I will show the I'll show the video or the pictures that I took. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the videos of the sunflowers and the rain and just kind of some of the last days of August here for us. And I also hope that you had a great Labor Day weekend and a wonderful summer. And I'll check back in here on the YouTube at some point. I don't know when, but I'm having fun. Thank you to all the new people who have liked and subscribed to our channel, and hopefully I'll be a bit more active with getting video footage of when we're actually creating. I still have yet to get Moses out at the pottery wheel, and he was doing a lot of that this weekend, but I don't like to interrupt the vibe, you know, when you get in the creative mode. So I don't like to interrupt it for him or for myself to take video footage. But that is part of vlogging, right? Is like documenting it all, and it has been so fun to look back on when I started doing this. Still not really 100% like comfortable with it all. I'd much prefer to be behind a computer and just typing words and then being able to go back in and edit. And although you can definitely edit on videos, I'm not as good at that. But anyway, yeah, seasons are changing. September 2nd, it's, you know, you can feel fall in the air, and it's good. It's all really good, you know? So hope it's good where you're at too. Enjoy the watch.